Welcome to Lansu Factory.
Let me introduce you the whole Lansu Factory. Follow me, please.
This is our office building. Now is a building. Let's eat together, drink together, and business together. Be there.
This is tractor gearbox workshop. The cover gear workshop.
This is our wood workshop. Any color and design for your choice.
Package ready to ship. This is our production line, outlined for you. So everyone, follow me, please, and I'll show you our meeting room in the workshop. This is the Lansu series.
Let's see our showroom with more models.